Question 26 is 4 marks. This is Cambridge non-calculator paper. The question asks you to solve these nice simultaneous equations. Now, the first thing I look at is the coefficients, the numbers in front of the t and w. Are they equal? No, they are not. So we need to make them equal. So what I will do, you can pause first of all, you can pause and try it yourself. It's better for the practice. What I will do is I will multiply the first one by 2. Why? Because when I multiply 2 times 3, I will get 6w. And then I multiply the second one by 3. Because when I multiply 3 times 2, it will give me also 6w's. Then I will have the same w's. Let's start multiplying. I'll just start by this one here. So 3 times 6 is 18. So it's 18t. And 3 times 2 is 6, so plus 6w. And now everyone forgets to multiply this. You should. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. That's good. Now let's do the first one. 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 8t. 2 times 3 is 6. So it's minus 6w. And don't forget the 11. 2 times 11 is 22. Now the question is, what if you multiply the first one first and you write it here and then you write it's okay, it's correct. I just wanted to start with this one, but it's alright. You can write this one up and then the other one down. Now we got the same w's. We have 6w and 6w. They have this different signs. This is positive and this is negative. When that happens, you add. So we will do the first equation plus the second equation. So what's 18t plus 8t? 18 plus 8 is 26. So you'll have 26t equals, because these are cancelled, 6w plus negative 6w is cancelled. Now you have minus 9 plus 22. That's just like 22 minus 9, isn't it? Yeah. So what's 22 minus 9? It's 13. That's good. Now we got 26t equal 13. What do? You divide by 26. Divide by 26. This is cancelled, so you have t equals 13 divided by 26 is a half. Now we got t. We need to find w. To find w, just substitute back in any of the equations. I'll write this. I'll not use this. Whenever you see a negative, try to not to use that equation. So, oh, this one also has a negative. All right. So now, all right, let's do this again. It's up to you. You can choose any. I just want to use the first one for now. So 4t minus 3w equal 11. 4t minus 3w equals 11. Now, instead of t, substitute a half. So it's going to be 4 times a half minus 3w equals 11. What's 4 times a half? It's just half of 4. So it's 2 minus 3w equals 11. Now how do we solve for w? Do minus 2 minus 2 and this cancels. Then on the left side we just have minus 3 equals 11 minus 2 is 9. Oh, this is minus 3w, and then divide by minus 3. This cancels and you will end up by having w equals, what's 9 divided by negative 3? 9 divided by 3 is 3. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 9. And that's your nice answer. You got t equal a half and you got w equals minus 3. And this is 4 marks. This is the last question in the paper. It was non-calculator. How did you find it? Was it easy?